Relax and close your eyes. Just notice your natural breathing without putting any effort. And just continue to relax and go into a deeper state of mind. Relax. Just relax and imagine that you are in a wonderful garden with green grass, blue sky, wonderful trees around, and you're walking on the grass. And then you find a big banyan tree and you sit at the base of the banyan tree and you feel connected to the tree. Your energy, your root chakra is connected to the roots of the tree, and energetically you are connecting to earth deep down inside. And you can feel the connection, the feeling of stability. You can feel grounded, like nobody can shake you. A deep sense of safety and security. And since you are connected to the earth, you can feel nurtured, fulfilled, like everything you wanted, you received. It's a wonderful feeling. You can anchor this feeling by bringing your index and thumb finger, the first finger and the thumb finger together. Anytime you bring these two fingers together in this state of meditation, you will feel the same kind of groundedness, safety, confidence. All anxiety has released. All doubts have disappeared. We're getting energy from the earth, and all lethargy has gone. Not only your root chakra, but even all the higher chakras are being charged by the energy of the earth. We're feeling positive and confident. You can feel the warmth in the root chakra because of the earth's energy. You realize that you no longer depend on food alone for energy. You can derive energy from the earth, from the universe, through Reiki energy, and you are satisfied. Imagine a ball of red energy around your root chakra. And as you relax, as you breathe in and out, this ball is becoming bigger and brighter. And you're feeling healed, nurtured more and more with time. We will now repeat some affirmations for root chakra. And by the time we finish, the root chakra will be healed and balanced and aligned with all the chakras. Even the other chakras will be healed. With gratefulness for the earth, for the energy, repeat these affirmations in your mind after me. I am safe and secure here and everywhere I go. I'm stable, I'm grounded, I'm relaxed, I'm calm in this moment. All my needs are met, I'm satisfied. I'm confident of my abilities. I have a healthy body, a peaceful mind, an abundant life. I'm anchored in the earth's energy and the universe supports me. Reiki is guiding me and showing me the way. I am the child of the universe and I am taken care of, so I have no worries. I deserve love and support and I get it. Universe provides for everything. Miracles are happening in my life. My root chakra is clear, clean, developing and balanced. I'm grounded. I'm feeling safe, secure. My confidence is growing. I'm feeling active, alert, full of aliveness. I'm feeling so positive. And with time, all these good feelings are multiplying. Every time I say lum, I start to feel the same wonderful feelings. Every time you say lum, you'll feel the same kind of groundedness. Every time you say lum, you feel safe, secure, powerful, confident. You'll be grounded. And all the chakras will be balanced. Wonderful. You can now slowly open your eyes, feeling fine in perfect health, feeling much better than before. And when you open your eyes, just smile and say, I'm feeling awesome.